done some more testimonials. I've tried different products in the past, and nothing has worked as great as the Jamaican Stone. I bought it directly from your website 2 years ago, and I've ordered once after that. This is a great product, and I would recommend it to anybody. I have another one here from another gentleman. This stuff works for real. I would recommend this to all that wants to last longer. Just make sure you get the real stone, not the fake stone. I have another testimony, Jamaican Stone, good for long sex drive, tested. I recommend the product. 100% thumbs up. One more. I've tried other products and had no success. I bought Jamaican Stone from your website in the past and have had great success. Thank you very much. Again, if you're looking for the Jamaican Stone, go to Wholesale Jamaican Stone. Look for this trusted label here. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.